Good day, my name is Adapenda Zengini, matric number 269349, and today I'm going to be presenting about my application. So uh, when the user enters the application, they'll be shown a splash screen and then followed by the login screen. So if the user had registered and already checked the remember me, then the credentials will be displayed and they just have to simply log in. They don't have to re-enter the credentials. However, if the user is new, then they have to register. They have to enter credentials on this form. Following the correct patterns, they cannot proceed if there's any missing information. And the password has to be the right length and also have numbers. For the button to be available, they need to agree to the terms and conditions. Now if they register, then they will get this email. They'll get this email here, and then they have to just click here, and then they'll be sent to a link that will verify their account. However, in the instance where they forget their password, then they can just click here, enter their email, click submit, and they will get an email. They'll get an email with the new password. Okay, so now I'm going to log in. Okay, so when the user enters the main screen here, it will display all the products available. So here they can search. Okay, and it will display the product with the closest name to what the user has searched. Okay, so if the user wants to know more about the product, they can simply just click on it and it will display the name, the price, the product description, and also the inventory. So they can even add the product from here as well. So right now the cart is empty, and if they try to proceed, it will not allow them, so they need to add the items. Okay, success. Okay, so from here they can actually add or remove items. If they want, they can also delete an item from the cart. Now we can proceed with this one, proceed to checkout. So right now the stock is at 34. Okay, so when we proceed to checkout, okay, so it will show us the total. Then these are the items, the default information that the user has already entered on their account. But in the instance where they want to maybe send to someone else, so they want to send in someone else's name, they can change that, but this is only for the delivery. It will not change what's already set in the database. So for phone number, can be anything. So for the address, the user can either enter the information on their own, or they can load the information. Okay, has to allow. Okay, so they can either load the location, or they can choose from the map. Okay, so I'm in Taman University right now, so I can pinpoint or zoom in here. Okay, and then I can just click save, and this would be my address. So from there I can proceed. Okay, and then I have to proceed with the payment. Okay, so the payment here is done, and we can go back here and we can see that the stock is now reduced to 33. So each time a user purchases something, then the stock will be reduced. Next is the profile. So for the profile, the user can edit these ones, and if they edit any of the information here, then that will be the data set in the database. So for example, right now my name is Ida, but let me change it to Rida, and I don't have to change all the information. I can just edit some of it. Same goes here. I can also, maybe I can use the camera, also change the camera. Okay. Alright, so this will be my new profile picture, and I just have to press save changes and confirm. Okay, once I'm done, I just have to go back, and I can also check my orders. So this is the order I recently did. So it will start from the latest up until the oldest. So this is the one that I just did under FIDA, and after that the user can sign out, and now we can go to the admins page. Okay, so for the admins page, it displays the dashboard. So on the dashboard there's products here, then there's the number of customers. So the number of customers is 2. In the database it has stored 3 accounts. One is the admin and the other 2 are the customers. So each time a new customer is added, it will display. And then the orders. So first off, we're gonna go for the products. So these are the products that we have at the moment, and initially it was 34, but since some a user has already purchased, it's now 33. So since this is the admin, what they can do is they can edit, delete, and add a new product. So let's start by adding a new product. So we can add from gallery. Okay, so we can choose this one. Okay, we can call this product product price 22, product description, colorful, phone case for iPhone 12. Okay, and then we can set the quantity. Perhaps you can say 38. Okay, once we're done, we can now add the product, and then it will snap back to the template to add products in case we want to add multiple products. Okay, and now we can see now we have this product, so we can actually even edit. So the price is 22. Perhaps we can change to 44. Okay, we just have to save the changes and then confirm the changes, go back, and the price is now 44. And last thing that the admin can do is to delete the product. Maybe we can delete some other product. Okay, and then we can go back and we can also see the products, sorry, the orders. These are the customers orders. So this was the order done by FIDA, and we have additional information, which is the email. So we have the delivery address, amount, date ordered, order ID, and the email. Okay, and that's it for the admin. The admin can now log out from here. We can log back into the user account, and we can see that the product that we added, that was added by the admin, it can now be seen by the customers. Okay, and that's the end for my presentation. Thank you.